Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
My name is Karen Pascolucci, and I chose to do a course at the Sinclair Sculpture School specifically because nowhere else offers what they offer. I've learned a great deal, and my skills have definitely leveled up over these last 4 days. I specifically value how much of a system there is, and with the system, it makes anything possible. Andrew as a teacher is charming and available, and he's willing to answer questions, and he's always willing to give you a demonstration, and his knowledge is encyclopedic. These courses are special because they're of the whole package. It's a 4 days retreat and just a fabulous place to be and sculpt and do creative things, and there's food, which is wonderful, and this wonderful environment of peace and creativity, totally worth every cent. I enjoyed the most the knowledge, the learning that I did. I really value learning, and it's amazing.